Okay, let's start it running. It's running. We are in Gimbal. Notice that you have access to different modes while it's recording. Right now it's in tilt lock, which means that tilting wasn't effective. Now, in order to get this waterfall, I will have to use the joystick to do it. Now look, it's, to control it precisely, it's very hard. Swipe, gimbal mode, change to follow. Okay, now how simple is that? It's so much smoother, so much more controllable. Down or up, that's follow mode. Horizontal is still there. So that's one of the great things about this new Pocket 3. On the fly gimbal mode changes. Awesome.
Yeah.